expeditioners. I was going to say profitable. If he comes so heartless, I would send my friends into danger. You insult my honor.
Oh, really?
I believe you have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later.
Never do anything around here.
Hello, my friends. I am Pongo Omaha, and this is Omaha Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Smuggler, my fine friend! Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. What? No, the first order would never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together.
Right, sons, welcome in. Happy birthday.
Nothing to be afraid of, yeah? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Xenoblade